how's it going? Today we're going to go ahead and draw a Christmas wreath. It's going to be simple, completely easy, completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, this is a place to be. That's it. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, all right? It's only 8 minutes, if not shorter. Very, very short lesson, so stay all the way till the very end, all right? We're even going to color it as well. So let's jump into it. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. If you like Christmas or Halloween and you like learning drawings during that time, absolutely. There's a seasonal channel, so if you subscribe now, next year you're gonna be seeing like cool videos pop up randomly on your YouTube feed, and you'll be like, "Oh, cool! I can draw that now." You know, it'll be timely, right? So definitely do that, and it helps the channel out as far as algorithm goes. So let's get started here. So let's start with the center of the circle of the wreath. So essentially you're drawing a circle with a texture. And I'm going to give it this texture. Kind of looks like it's like a little explosion or something. A square right here for the center. Out, down. Out, down. Out over here, up. Out over here, up. So you get that bow, right? It's kind of like a marshmallow shape in the middle, and almost like these weird little converted heart shapes on the side. Pulling down, up. That's essentially like a triangle. Like a long triangle, right? A long triangle down here for the straps sticking out the side here. Now, let's start maybe around the bottom here, and we are going to go along the edges here. And now you have that circle around there, so now we got our wreath. You can kind of continue it down here. Real easy stuff, right? There's a circle and a circle and a circle. And now more circles. On the wreath, there tends to be, ornaments of some kind, and that's what I'm going to do here. And, I forgot the bottom of that wreath there. The bottom here. Extremely, extremely easy. I'm going to draw a line out here for the tying of the bow. And one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a thicker line just along only the outer edge. And the reason I want to do that is, you're going to do that bumpiness all the way around. I like doing that because it makes it look like a sticker. It makes it look more like a cartoon, and I think it just kind of gives it like a good look. So absolutely do that when you are able to. If it takes a little bit, it is what it is. Alright, right there. And then I'm going to do it for the center here, right? Because this technically is the outer edge. Right, of the wreath. There we go. All right, let's jump into color real quick. I'm going to be using markers. I'm going to be using Prismacolor markers. You can use anything you want. You can use, if you want, you can use, crayon, colored pencil. I don't know about pastels. I've never really used pastels, but you can use any of that stuff. And it really, really is fun to do so. So definitely, look into doing that. It's like a great time, honestly. To use this stuff. The good part about the Prismacolors is they don't smear the black ink when I go through it. So if I touch the edges right here with the black ink of my other marker, it doesn't smear it. Where if I use the Prismacolor version of this, it will smear it. It'll actually smear it quite a bit. So it's just kind of strange, It's just a lot like strange. Right here, I'm just making sure that most of it's moist. And I'm going over it a couple of times here to give it like a more solid green as opposed to the green that it might give. Otherwise, it might give like it might look a little patchy, and I'm trying to like avoid that. So I'm trying to go over it a couple of times here. And over here. And the cool part about the marker for me, anyway, I can demonstrate in it much quicker, right? So I won't be here like for half an hour coloring or something like that. It'll be real simple. I'm going to take the red now. Whoops, wrong end. Take the red now. Going to go in here, color in that ribbon. Right here, just a solid red. So let me show it to you. It was solid red. Good stuff. Let me take a blue here for, well, let's like a blue. Let's do an orange and a blue for the ornaments here. Orange here. Orange here. And I'm going to pick random, right? Ornaments. Let's do one more here. Okay, cool. Let's do the blue now. Pick like an aqua blue. You don't have to pick an aqua blue. You can pick any kind of blue you want. I do recommend coloring this though. The reason I recommend coloring it is because it just kind of brings it to life more as far as like Christmas goes. With Christmas, you kind of, I think you kind of, I don't say you need it, but it'd be a good idea. And I guess I am going to put red ornaments here, like even though it's the same marker I used for the bow. I think red will bring it about. But yeah, like I said, hit the like button, and it's going to bring a lot of coolness to the channel when you do that. When you hit the like, basically when you hit the like, it helps me out, and it just does a ton for the channel when you do that, okay? All right, thank you so much. That's the end of it. What I want you to do is two things. Number one, share the video if you can with a friend you think might like it. It's Christmas time. It's that time. Also, I want you to share it maybe on Twitter or something like that. But the other thing is, if you're really, really looking into drawing in general, I have free drawing lessons that are hour-long drawing lessons for beginners on Skillshare. They're completely free right now when you click that link. It's only when you click the link. That's the thing. There are programs on how to draw portraits, how to draw the head, how to draw anime. All of this stuff is over there. Go check that out. If you want like a overhaul, and you've always wanted to learn how to draw and you want to really like upgrade your skill, go there now. That's pretty much the place to do it. Thank you so much. I'm Enrique. Go hit that link up. Currently, the first, I forget what it was, the first 100 people get like a free month of Skillshare for free. You know, basically it's another platform and you get it totally for free for a month if you click the link only. That's it. Talk to you next time, and I'll talk to you soon.